How do you prevent people from booking calls with you when you go on vacation? Calendly booking pages makes this very easy, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do this. Follow along with me on the website, or you can use our MCP in ChatGPT or Claude and ask Calendly to do this for you. Let's look at the booking page I want to change. Here is my normal availability. I'm going to take off on the 11th. Now here is the easiest way to do this. I'm going to edit the booking page. You will see this date override section. I'm going to press this. And now I can see, okay, the 11th, I'm going to press add date override. And now the 11th is blocked off and I can just add more dates and these will block off too. And the important thing here is I didn't have to change my general availability. So if people want to book availability with me that following week, that is still open. I just have this one-time block for this upcoming week. This is the fastest way to do this. The other thing you could do is if your booking page is looking at your calendars to determine your availability, you could mark one of these calendars that it's reading from that you're unavailable via blocking it out all day or having an all-day busy event, and that will give you the same effect. If you want to build your own booking pages, it's totally free. Visit usecarly.com to get started.